Imagine you're a business owner, struggling to keep up with your growing team's communication needs. You're tired of juggling multiple phone lines, missed calls, and inefficient collaboration tools. What if there was a solution that could streamline your communication, boost productivity, and simplify your business operations? Have you ever wondered how to join RingCentral and revolutionize your business communication? Understanding RingCentral. RingCentral is a leading cloud-based communication platform that offers a suite of powerful tools to help businesses of all sizes improve their communication and collaboration. Here's a quick overview of what RingCentral can do for you. Unified communications. Combine voice, video, messaging, and collaboration features into a single, integrated platform. Cloud-based flexibility. Access your communications from anywhere, anytime, on any device. Advanced features. Enjoy features like call forwarding, voicemail to email, call recording, and more. Integration capabilities. Seamlessly integrate with your existing business applications. Scalability. Easily scale your communication system as your business grows. Getting started with RingCentral. Now that you know what RingCentral can do, let's dive into the process of joining and setting up your account. Step 1. Visit the RingCentral website. The first step is to visit the RingCentral website at https://www.ringcentral.com. Step 2. Create an account. On the homepage, you'll find a Get Started button. Click on it and follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. You'll be asked to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Step 3. Choose a plan. RingCentral offers a variety of plans to suit different business needs and budgets. Choose the plan that best aligns with your communication requirements. Consider factors like the number of users, features needed, and desired level of support when making your selection. Step 4. Provide business information. Once you've chosen a plan, you'll be asked to provide some additional information about your business, such as your company name and industry. Step 5. Set up your account. After providing your business information, you'll be guided through the process of setting up your RingCentral account. This may involve configuring your phone numbers, creating user accounts, and customizing your system settings. Additional tips for joining RingCentral. Here are some additional tips to help you get started with RingCentral. Take advantage of the free trial. Test out RingCentral's features before committing to a paid plan. Explore the knowledge base. The RingCentral knowledge base is a valuable resource for finding answers to your questions and troubleshooting issues. Contact customer support. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to RingCentral's customer support team. Consider using a RingCentral partner. If you're looking for additional support and customization, consider working with a RingCentral partner. Benefits of joining RingCentral. Joining RingCentral can offer numerous benefits for your business, including improved communication and collaboration, streamlined communication between team members and with customers, increased productivity, save time and improve efficiency with advanced features, enhanced customer satisfaction, provide better customer service with tools like call forwarding and voicemail to email, cost savings, reduce your communication expenses by consolidating multiple lines and services, scalability, easily adapt to changing business needs. By following these steps and leveraging the benefits of RingCentral, you can transform your business communication and achieve new levels of success. With RingCentral, you'll have the tools you need to stay connected, collaborate effectively, and drive your business forward. Are you ready to take your business communication to the next level? Join RingCentral today and experience the difference. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.